Welcome to AVEVA World Digital. I'm Craig Hayman, CEO of AVEVA, and I'm delighted to welcome you to our second global digital event, AVEVA World Digital. And welcome to those of you who join us for the first time. Since we last met in June, the world has gone through more change. We've been locked down, but new economies are opening. Industries are adapting and meeting the new market's needs. The past year has seen more disruption than any period since the Industrial Revolution. It's almost seen an unprecedented amount of innovation. Driven by the need to remain operational, industries have found creative ways to continue to operate. Technologies like the cloud, the industrial Internet of Things, the digital twin, and artificial intelligence are at the leading edge of that process. At AVEVA, we're proud to be working with companies worldwide to evolve their digital strategies at record speed, to operate more efficiently, to embrace agility, and to drive down CapEx. We're drawing on our core strategy of collaborating with you, our customers, to implement, adapt, and capitalize on new solutions that maintain competitive edge in the new normal. Never has the digital agenda been more relevant than it is today. Never has the digital leadership been more important to resilience and growth. Now, partnering with all of you is an exciting task, and it's a demanding one, and we're relishing that challenge. Because above all, successful recovery will be about all of us embracing and adapting the different demands of these times and the shifting economic demands and needs of our customers. As necessity is the mother of invention, so we've seen a huge uptick in innovation and fresh approaches in the past few months. We've seen new digital imperatives emerging in response to the pressure to remain operational during the pandemic. And at the same time, this need to manage costs and remote workforces coinciding with the increased demand across many sectors. Combined, these lead to strong economic pressures and in turn a drive for digital innovation. Boston Consulting Group recently revealed their lessons learned from the companies on the other side of the curve. Boston Consulting Group sees the same imperatives that we do: to stabilize manufacturing and the supply chain, to manage costs, to accelerate digital. From the need to manage costs and drive down CapEx to the need to enable teams to collaborate and increase transparency for regulatory review, technology is at the heart of everyone. And during the next 2 days, we'll be exploring what we at AVEVA see as the 6 principles of success in our new operating environment. We'll hear examples of companies who are already winning in digital solutions from AVEVA. So what are these principles of success? Well, we think they are agility and flexibility for the connected worker, visibility of data and that's connected and optimized for decision-making through the digital twin 4.0, intelligence that blends artificial and human knowledge with machine learning and smart algorithms, scale and accessibility through the cloud, holistic and timely insight through big data, and integrated capabilities from the industrial Internet of Things. Now, together, these capabilities drive resiliency and sustainability into our new normal. And we're seeing these 6 capabilities reshape the operating environment for customers across diverse industries. Teams can now connect across the world, accessing shared data using high-performance computing at scale. Couple this with analytics that's influencing prediction from artificial intelligence, and this transforms operations. Now, later at this conference, you'll hear from Shaglian Arkan of Microsoft and Henkel SVP Dirk Holbach on how they're using big data and our analytics to evolve their operation. An effective digital twin 4.0 vision is rooted in engineering processes. By leveraging AVEVA's uniquely broad portfolio, our customers are connecting operations and maintenance, and they're infusing the entire stack with artificial intelligence. This gives your team guidance and decision support that spans both the engineering and the process planning cycles. And when you put this capability together with the scale of the cloud, you boost collaboration. It means you can ensure that your teams can access all of the information they need wherever they need it. And we're seeing increasing automation of key work tasks and a more unified user experience. Now, this is true whether the teams are working from home or in the field. What we hear from our customers and partners actively guides how we invest at AVEVA. Now, at the center of our strategy are the core two attributes of cloud and artificial intelligence. We're seeing more customers make the pivot to the cloud at the moment, and over the past 2 years, we have ramped up our cloud portfolio from operation information analytics and a low-code application development environment to complex engineering visualization. You hear more about how cloud and artificial intelligence are enabling leading companies to respond with agility and new opportunities today using big data and the power of industrial IoT. As the crisis unfolded, we worked with customers to help them continue to work by making products available in the cloud and along with new trial capabilities from our research and development team. In the new normal, a shift to the cloud, in our view, isn't a matter of choice. It is something that must be aggressively pursued, given the tremendous advantages that the deployment and ownership costs deliver. The flexibility to consume as you need it and to remove local barriers, for example, allow collaboration and high efficiency. We're absolutely committed to making the breadth of the AVEVA portfolio available in the cloud. And we're announcing this week that our unifying engineering product, the suite, is now available in the cloud. You'll hear more about that from Dr. Ravi Gopinath tomorrow. Now, we're also leading the revolution in artificial intelligence. Across every operational task and process, organizations in the new normal will require additional capabilities for inference, prediction, guidance, and adaptation to dynamic conditions. Now, we're infusing this capability into every aspect of our portfolio, enabling companies to optimize their value chains for lean, profitable operations. We continue to build on our market-leading real-time control and information management tools, our visualization and analysis tools, and we add in richer content and new capability at the edge. And we'll continue to add to the industry specialization of the portfolio because this is not just about technology, but it's also about helping you manage the specifics of your business in your industry, whatever the environment throws at us this year. Now, put together, these capabilities mean we see two key developments. First, the Digital Twin 4.0 is becoming the comprehensive physical and behavioral description of the individual assets and groups of assets, which can be used to simulate, evaluate, predict, and prescribe. And second, your connected worker can now interact seamlessly with a complete digital twin of your asset, using advanced visualization tools and work task enablers to guide their activities to ensure efficiency, consistency, and most importantly, safety. It's these two elements, Digital Twin 4.0 unifying the engineering and process elements of a project, and the power of the cloud and big data to connect and empower your workers. That's what we're going to be focusing on in the sessions today. Veolia Water Technologies uses AVEVA's cloud-based Insight solution to deliver their data across the world. They've done some amazing things, pinpointing areas to improve, including reducing water losses at over 100 of their facilities. Which brings me back to the acceleration that we are currently experiencing. The workers at the front line of the industrial world, the people operating, maintaining, and producing the staples of our lives like food, energy, and water. We need to help them be connected, ensure they have the data, and ensure their discoveries and insights are available across the company to keep them safe. This is the connected worker, your worker in our new reality. AVEVA was ranked the #1 digital twin industry provider by one of our customers, Wood Group. And you'll have the opportunity to hear from their CTO, Darren Martin, in just a few minutes. Now, Darren believes that field workers equipped with the right information and technologies are the ones who can operate at peak, together with effectiveness and efficiency and the safety they need. We agree with him. Now, it also enables us to empower people to deliver a more sustainable, more energy-efficient business. And this is core to our mission at AVEVA. When it comes to sustainability, Digital innovation and digital transformation can support lower emissions, can boost energy efficiency, and support the circularity of all aspects of operations. We're partnering with Henkel's laundry home care business, which is a chemical consumer goods company. They're headquartered in Dusseldorf, Germany, to do just that. Henkel owns the household brand names like Persil to drive their sustainability commitment to the market and support their customers. Henkel built a digital backbone that connects their global operations into the cloud. That's 300,000 sensors in each site, providing 1.5 billion data points to meet demand and reduce energy usage. Tomorrow, I'm delighted that Dirk Holbach is Henkel's SVP of Global Supply Chain. We'll talk about this digital backbone. This is the thing that drives sustainability into their manufacturing operations. So far, they've reduced their environmental footprint by 1/3 by using less energy, less water, and producing less waste. And the saving is growing every year. Henkel's example offers lessons beyond the manufacturing sector. We know that many industries are looking at the social and governance implications of the new stimulus packages that are driving the economic recovery. Now, our solutions help many leading companies in diverse sectors boost efficiency, sustainability, and connect teams in real time to drive profit. Henkel is a great example of using digital solutions to deliver a more sustainable future while reducing operational risk and using data to better respond to changes. I can't wait to hear from Dirk tomorrow. Now, integrated systems bring integrated analysis. You can generate more complex insight and recommendations for your teams, meaning you can manage more complex processes and execute them more quickly. Together, this leads to better decision-making. And Jamie Ortiz of Shell will speak on our panel later today on how Shell's Monica Polymers plant in the US enabled the team to unify engineering and process data to streamline the design process and develop a complete digital twin 4.0. Digital technology from AVEVA connects teams, our analytics unify engineering data, and automated task flows drive the entire capital project. Digital technology that's people-centric and grounded in science. At tomorrow's panel, Sébastien Boisset of Danone will be here also to talk about Danone's specialty nutrition business and what they call their game changers. We've been honored to help Danone in connecting their FDA-compliant factories with analytics across the manufacturing data and automated task flows that drive Danone's digital manufacturing vision and their transformation programs. Digital technology, again, that's people-centric and grounded in science for some very specific nutritional needs. I mentioned Shaglian Arkan of Microsoft, who will be here later today to cover Microsoft's perspective on the past few months and how manufacturers have responded as their supply chains have flexed and their factory models have had to change. It's been an intense period of innovation led by cloud-enabled technologies, and Microsoft has been a key partner for us in helping customers navigate these new challenges and opportunities. I'm looking forward to hearing what lessons Shaglian will draw for us from this process and how we're collaborating with Microsoft as one of their strategic partners to help build resilience, drive innovation, and connect workers during turbulent times. Now, it's by working with companies like Microsoft, Schneider Electric, and our 16,000 customers around the world that we at AVEVA learn and lead in providing the industrial software that the world needs. Now, we have about 8 to 10 software engineers in each research and development Scrum team. Each Scrum team regularly adjusts their goals based on what we learn from our customers. And we have 150 Scrum teams hard at work around the world for you on any given day. Now, building on the trust and partnerships that we have formed with our customers and partners, we learn and we innovate. Let me take a moment to share what we've learned over the past 90 days. We've learned that everyone wants flexibility for their capital programs, meaning they want more certainty for projects. They want their engineers to be productive working remotely to optimize materials in a world where supply chains are brittle, and they want their capital projects not just to be on time and under budget, but they want them to be delivered together with the digital twin so that the handover and operations have less risk. And they want them to further their sustainability agenda for a better planet. Risk management continues to be a focus in operations. where there's a need for reduced operational cost while being able to ramp production up or down more quickly. We've learned that digital works. The more digital investment, the more certainty, and the more the reduction in manufacturing operational expense. Digital agility helps companies stay ahead of the competition and move fast, move as quickly as the change that we all see in the world. So I'm delighted that we will be announcing 3 new capabilities over the course of the coming days. Aviva Insight, which brings all of your cloud and operational data together into the cloud, gains even more analytics. Aviva Unified Engineering is now available in the cloud to accelerate project design. It enables cross-team collaboration in a single, unified cloud platform, which we call Aviva Connect. And we're launching the Aviva Unified Supply Chain Real-Time Crude product. This was developed in partnership with Schneider Electric to generate rapid crude oil assays from a small crude sample. It's a combination of cutting-edge analytical equipment with powerful machine learning to help you make even faster and smarter purchasing decisions. You'll hear more about these innovations from Dr. Ravi Gopinath, our Chief Cloud Officer, tomorrow. Industries are a unique moment. The pandemic is accelerating everyone's digital transformation. Cloud, artificial intelligence, and beautiful visualization of data at scale means that we're moving very quickly. We're delivering on the vision of the digital twin, helping the connected worker, providing more capital flexibility, reducing operational risk, and reducing the world's carbon footprint. I see Aviva as a partner for our customers in their digital journey, one committed to significant technology investments that are prioritized by what we all learn along the way, and one committed to earning trust. And to see exactly what we're doing, please explore our latest innovations in the expo. Our Unified Engineering booth will show you how we're making the Digital Twin 4.0 vision a reality for companies that are becoming more digital. You'll also hear more about our big announcement around Unified Engineering in the cloud. And at the Connected Worker booth, you'll see how we use the cloud for industrial collaboration. I urge you, visit also the Industrial Artificial Intelligence booth, where you can see the latest predictive, prescriptive analytics that are enabling companies to refine operating models and continuously evolve for the better. It's an exciting couple of days. I want to thank you all for joining us and investing your time with us to see how Aviva Solutions can support your digital journey and help your teams along the way. Our Slack channel is open now with the team standing by to respond to your questions, and we'll talk more in our live lounges. These are unprecedented times. Let's talk about human ingenuity, digital technology, sustainability, and how fast we can go. Do take the opportunity to network and ask questions. Next up, it's my great pleasure to introduce the Chief Technology Officer of Wood Group, Mr. Darren Martin. And thank you for spending time with us at Aviva World Digital, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.